Hello students, this video is presented to you by Sangeeta Tripathi, PRT, KV Bulandshahr, Shift 2. Dear students, this is in continuation with the video of Left Right Chapter 22 Part 1 in which we have studied about left and right side, different directions and up and down. Focused skill and competency of this part is observation and reporting. The teaching learning outcomes are students will be able to draw the symbols for various things, locate places using symbols and landmarks, draw a map using symbols and landmarks, identify different states of India according to directions. Students, let us study about symbols. Symbols are small pictures that stand for different features on a map. Observe this picture. As you can see, there are certain places like house, hospital, school, etc. in it. Besides the picture, there are symbols which represents them. Sometimes or at some places, these symbols are used to represent them. Observe this picture in which there are some common symbols which you may have observed while moving around your neighborhood. Now, as you can see, landmarks are also important to make a place easily recognizable. These landmarks can be a building, a site, a structure, a T point, or a crossroad, etc. Like in this picture, you can observe crossroad as a landmark. Student, let us discuss about maps. A map is a symbolic representation of a selected characteristic of a place. Maps are used to give information of a very large space in a small area, and it acts as a guide in places which we have never visited. Now, now let us observe this map which shows the places that comes on the way when Kavita travels from her school to home. From the map, objects like places like tree, hand pump, well, bus stop, post office, hospital, shop can be reported. With the help of directions and maps, our country India is divided into four main parts. West India, which include Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. East India, which includes states Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal, etc. North India having states Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, etc. South India, which has Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, etc. Students, sketch is a rough drawing which helps to make a more finished drawing. It has important landmarks. Let us recapitulate what we have studied in this part. Symbols are small pictures that stand for different features on a map. Landmarks make a place easily recognizable. A map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristic of a place. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. It usually has important landmarks. Tamil Nadu is a southern state. Jammu and Kashmir is a northern, Assam is an eastern, and Gujarat is a western state of India, respectively. With the help of observation and reporting about maps, landmarks, and sketches, you can easily answer these questions like: what are symbols? What is a map? A landmark? A sketch? Also, you can now draw the road map from your school gate to your classroom and from your house to your school. Thank you, students.